Hi, I'm Dr. M. Joe Kaushik, andrologist practicing at Cleaveland Hospital, Nagarkoil. Today, I'm going to show you a different newly implant launched in the market, which is the ZSI Penile Implant, which is introduced, which is made in Switzerland, which is a Sweden make. So this implant, first I will show you this implant, what are the parts of it. So it has a it has a steel wire which is able to regain the memory of the penile size. So if you bend the penis like this, it will be able to last in this size, or else if you bend it straight, it will be able to stay. So what is the advantage of this implant is, compared to the other implants available in the market, this has a better memory of the penile position. So the next thing is, this implant has two sides of trimming. It means we can trim in the distal end and the proximal end. So it has a little more advantage to give a better penile size and shape with this implant, and it has a hydrophilic coating, which means it will be able to absorb the antibiotics in which we used to dip it, so that the chance of infection rate will be far less. And with this coating, we prefer to use the implants in case of diabetic patients. Yeah, the recovery of the patients will be, there will be no difference in the recovery of the patients, and little more the healing will be little faster because of the antibiotic absorption, so that the chance of infection alone will be less. So the cost of these implants will be approximately around 2.5 lakhs. Because this is an imported implant and it's coming from Switzerland, and it has a memory part and it has a better hydrophilic coating. Usually all these imported malleable implants, the surgical costs will come around 2.5. So if the patient wants a very hard and a sturdy implant, then we can go for the Indian malleable implant. Or else the patient wants a better concealability, we can go for any of these imported implants. If the patient is very uncontrolled diabetic, then we can go for an implant with hydrophilic coating.